Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't ask where I've been. Long story short, I just didn't want to film videos that I didn't want to film, so I didn't want to waste anyone's time. But I've got a really cool video for you today. So hair clips and hair slides are like a thing. They're really in. I love that they're so affordable and you can mix and match them to suit your style. Today's video is going to be me styling my real hair with some really cool hair clips. I asked you guys on Instagram to vote whether you wanted me to show you with it my real hair or wigs, and most of you said real hair, but some of you said both. So I will be doing another video where I style up wigs with hair slides. But today's video is just me and my natural hair. The video kind of changes a little bit because I did film an intro where I was going to film my real hair and my wigs, but I decided to do it separately because it was a lot to put into one video. So yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, if you're a little bit different, weird and quirky, and if you like these hairstyling videos, then give the video a big thumbs up, and then I know and I could do more for you guys. So yeah, first of all, what I'm going to do is talk you through all the hair clips that I bought. They're super cute, super affordable, and there'll be links in the description box where you can buy everything right now so you can recreate these hairstyles. So yeah, let's just get straight into the video.
I sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel up with emotions. Could I taste them for real? Longing for you, longing for you. Oh, but I can't get back. What can I do? What can I do when your train is gone? I don't wanna go back, don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back. I don't wanna go alone. Go back. If you are not with me, hey, I don't wanna go back. I know you want the best for me. Your intentions are good. I walk back to my history, into my old neighborhood. Longing for you, oh, but I can't get back. What can I do? What can I do when your train is gone? I don't wanna go back, don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you?
So that's it for this video, guys. I forgot to like leave my hair nice to film the outro, but I've taken it all out, so you know, whatever, this is me. So yeah, thanks so much for watching the video. If you liked it or if it helped you, give the video a big thumbs up so I know and I could do more for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new here, if you're a little bit weird, different and quirky, and I'll see you in my next video.